Hey there, I wanted to quickly demo the remote access feature in T3Code. T3Code is a user interface on top of CLIs like Claude Code or OpenAI's Codex. You could also just use the Codex app or the Claude Mac app, and those would also give you the same functionality. But T3Code is an open source app available on a number of platforms, and it is also remote accessible, which is a nifty feature. So you could run one of these CLIs on one machine, run T3Code on that same machine, and control it from another. So maybe think of it like this. You have a Mac Mini, and it is running T3Code and broadcasting access, and then you can remote control it from another device. It can be a more lightweight machine like this MacBook Neo, or an iPad, or an iPhone. After installing T3Code, to enable remote access, you need to go to the Settings menu, Connections, toggle on Network Access, which would then quit the app, restart the app, come back to this same screen, and hit Create Link. Now here we're going to write in test for video, and hit Create Link. Now we can take that pairing code, and it's going to copy that URL with an IP address in there, but if you're running Tailscale, you can just replace the IP address with your magic DNS name. So in my case, I can just type in Hephaestus and then the rest of the URL as opposed to my IP address, and then I would have full ability to access all the same projects, all the same chat threads, come into any given project, switch between Codex and Claude, start a new project even on the remote machine, tap this little plus icon, jump into a folder, and add it to the projects toolbar. All the things like that. Now, this is obviously all on the same machine. What if I wanted to do this on a different machine? And then on a second machine, I could install Tailscale again to be on the same tailnet. I could install T3Code, come back into this connection screen, tap Add Environment, paste in this pairing URL, hit Add Backend, and now I am connected to the same Mac and can access all the same projects on this machine. You could actually take this idea even further. You could set up a VPS with a provider like DigitalOcean or Hetzner, install your agent there, install T3Code there, and remote into it from your MacBook Neo, but staying inside a nice user interface without really having to mess with the command line much. All right, let me know if this was helpful. Have a great day.